Hello everyone, this is Ebenezer R from St. Joseph Institute of Technology. I just did my internship at SmartBridge and my title is Smart Agriculture System based on IoT and the project ID is SPSPRO 101. Before getting into project demonstration, I would like to talk about my project. The abstract of my project says in India about 11.8 crore farmers is living in various states across the country. Since the Industrial Revolution has upgraded a lot of fields, it also brought a huge impact in agricultural field. But in developing countries like India, the agricultural field has not yet achieved its considerable momentum. There are about 2,96,483 Indian farmers had committed suicides in 1995. In order to bring in the required momentum, IoT is a very handy technology will help to boost the agricultural industry with an intelligent application designed to advise the farmer about the climatic changes and more information about the respective fields and also help them with controlling motors from anywhere. Now let me show you my project demonstration. Before going into that, I would like to show you my internship details. The dashboard consists of internship title stating that Smart Agriculture System based on IoT. It also consists of the project ID, the duration and also various details. There are various kinds of milestones and activities which helped me a lot in working onto my project, and the task and progress section really helped me in guiding the project, and mentor review helped me in communicating with my mentor. There's another option also called as Zoho Writer which enabled me to write the project description. And now I will show you the demonstration. Before getting the sensors on, we should fill in the required credential details. Now I have entered all the credentials into the required column and now I have to save the changes. Now it will connect the virtual sensors into the cloud. So the IBM has offered three kinds of sensors. They are temperature, humidity and object temperature. Now let me change the temperature as 15 degrees Celsius and humidity as 80%, and now the object and temperature is set to be 25 degrees Celsius. Now let me check with the IoT platform. This is my IoT platform where I have created a device. The device ID is 001 and the device type is controller data, and on May 19th I have created this device. Now I will show you the data which has been received. Now I have received the data. These data are in JSON format, wherein which they are manipulated in the Node-RED platform. Now I will direct you to the Node-RED platform. The first node consists of an IoT data which will ask for the API key which is being delivered by the IoT platform. By this, we can enable the received data, we can manipulate those data. Now, I will tell you how the data have been formed. The next thing is, I will show you my dashboard. The dashboard consists of the humidity, object temperature and the temperature indication with two buttons, motor on and motor off. The basic description of the project is the farmers should know the temperature and also the data of their fields, and also we have to enable the farmers to control the motor on and off switch. Now let me show the received data from the IoT cloud by deploying them. After deploying, I am receiving the data from the virtual sensors, stating that 25%, 80% and 15 degrees Celsius. Now let me check with the dashboard. After refreshing it, I would clearly see that the humidity is 80% and the object temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. Now, for designing an application, we need a specific URL to fetch the data. For that, an HTTP response is made. I will show you the URL. Here inside this URL there are three kinds of data which are represented in the JSON format. Later, these data are used in the Android app to fetch the data. Now I will show you my Android application. I have mirrored the application so that it will be useful to see in the easy manner. This is the application what I have been created. The application has a video.
What happens when agriculture goes high-tech? Farmers using what's known as precision agriculture can harness the power.
This video tells the farmers more information about the digital agriculture, and also there is a temperature, humidity and object temperature. The data from the IoT platform have been fetched here, and also there are two buttons which are motor on and motor off. Now let me demonstrate it. When I click this motor on, the command has to be represented in Node-RED platform. Now let me on the motors. As I have on the motor, I have fetched the command called motor on. Now let me off the motor. Now I have received another data called as the motor off. By this, the motor can be controlled. And then my project description also assigned me that the farmers should get the climate forecasting. For that purposes, I have introduced climate update button. So when I click that, it will redirect me to another page asking the location. Let me check the location. First I will enter my city name, Chennai. When I click the climate update button, I am getting the entire description of the climate forecast. The description tells that it is overcast cloud and the temperature is 305.35 and the wind speed is 5.1. Now let me check with Mumbai. The description is shower rain and the temperature is 304.64 and the wind speed is 4.6. By this, the farmer can easily understand the weather climatic conditions. Now I will show you my Python code which is used to control the commands. This is the Python code which I was being written, and I have initiated the value, the temperature to be 34, the humidity to be 27 and the object temperature to be 29. Now I will run this code. After running this code, the data are sent to the cloud.